Here's a pair of Beat Solo Pro. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect to a TCL Smart TV via Bluetooth. So very simple. So first thing you got to do is go to the settings on your TCL TV. You guys may have a settings button on your remote, or you can go click on your home button on your home screen, and top right hand side you have the gear icon, the settings icon, so you can go that way. So let me go up, and then right all the way, settings right there, click on OK. From here I'm going to go all the way down. You can see the very bottom there, remotes and accessories. Let's click on OK. Now we're going to go ahead and add accessory, click on that. And it says, before pairing your devices, make sure they are turned on and discoverable. Okay. So now it's searching for any devices that are in pairing mode. So these are currently off. Let me go ahead and turn these on here. And I'm going to press and hold this button here so I get a white flashing light. Okay, it's flashing white, so it's in pairing mode. And let's see, oh, there it is right there. You can see Solo Pro right there. So I'm just going to go down one, highlight it, select it. It says pairing, still blinking white there. And we can go ahead and pair right there. It says pairing, still blinking white here. Now it says connecting, and it says paired. Okay, and down there Solo Pro is connected. Now if you had issues where you couldn't pair it or get into pairing mode, you just can't connect, you can always reset these as well. Look in the link below, I'll show you how to reset these. All right, anyway, mine's good to go. I can watch YouTube or Netflix through these now. Good luck.